All right, here we are back at it with another video on this channel. As promised, I'm going to keep pumping out and pushing good quality videos for you guys to really help you learn, earn. Ultimately, what we want is just to see people make money and succeed at this, right? So, I want to keep making these trading recaps every single day, even if they're only like 3 to 5 minutes long, just so you really understand what I was looking at here, where my head was, my thought process. On this channel, we're going to start doing more live trading. Going into 2025, we're just at the end of this year, 2024. Going into 2025, I want to put more videos out there for you guys on YouTube, better quality education. I think that's really, really important is for you guys to really learn this stuff. And, it's just in the end, it's going to benefit you, right? It's going to benefit you guys. And if I could put out, if there's just one video that I make that impacts somebody and changes their life, then that makes me happy. So, like I said, I'm going to keep putting out more and more quality education video guys for you guys. Try and engage with you more on one-on-one live trading on this channel. And yeah, we're going to just keep pushing good quality content out there for you guys. So today I want to talk about a little bit about Wednesday, basically how I made $2,000 today, midweek win. So wasn't the best day. Definitely over traded a lot. Normally, like to aim for but just one lot. I typically just like to come in the morning, just take one lot. But I took 4.5 lots. So, $2,000 last trade was on NAS 100. Again, it was a very interesting day, right? So we did put the signals out in the Telegram group for the members, the private members. And again, if you guys want to join the free Discord, the link is below the video here. So we obviously got the free Discord group that people are joining day in and day out. I mean, it's actually over 2,200 people. Again, it's 100% free. You got access to all these rooms and chat rooms and hangouts. But yeah, so like I said, Wednesdays don't like trading Wednesdays, but some days are really good, some days are really bad. US 30 did actually hit. If you look here on the left hand side, US 30 did actually hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and then NAS 100 hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and then NAS 100 hit take profit 1 and 2 and 3. I did take US 30. I did take it for take profit 1 and 2. So here's the chart right here, so you have a better understanding of what I was looking at, right? So US 30 and NAS 100, I was looking for a sell, right? Sell US 30 and then sell NAS 100. Now in yesterday's video, remember I talked about this, about basically cracking this support level and dropping down. And then today it did crack, but it didn't really close the gap like we wanted to do. So she put back up, and I was looking for another sell-off, right? I was looking for a sell-off, and she did drop, right? She did basically drop to these. She dropped basically to these lows right here, and we did hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and I did secure profit, but then I jumped back in this one a few times as she started to squeeze up because I'm like, man, this thing's just running. So there's a few times I did get stopped out, give some profits back, was down, but then I was really focusing on. I switched my bias towards NAS 100 because NAS 100 was a really good clean setup, right? We did take NAS 100 because NAS 100 in the morning, right? She did completely drop and solve here. Okay, so she was basically testing this resistance level here, right? Testing this resistance level here, and then testing this resistance level here, and then basically acting as resistance support right here. So I was basically watching it for it to basically crack that area. Excuse me, have a nice little drop down to the bottom. She actually did drop really hard when the market opened. This was a good win, and then she did push back up, right? She pushed back up, and when she pushed back up, I was watching for the same area, the same sell area for another drop back down before she pushed up again, and then finally sold off. So NAS 100 was a breadwinner today, okay? Now, not every day is going to be NAS 100, not every day is going to be US 30. It is very important to watch both NAS 100 and US 30 every single morning to determine which one you're going to want to take from either sell or buy standpoint, but you ultimately need to see what the market's been doing the past few days. So again, NAS 100 was the breadwinner. You can see it drop down, hit our entry 2535.47. It did hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. She did drop actually really nice, and I mean that's all she wrote before she pushed back up. Again, today was very choppy. US 30 was very hard to read because this one looked like she did look like she was gonna keep selling off here, but just no dice. I mean, she squeezed up hard. I mean, she squeezed up really, really hard, and she basically when she squeezed up, she basically tested this resistance area right here, right? So she tested this resistance area right here, and basically draw that line of sand, right? Draw all the way across before she finally did break out again, and then boom, she sold off. Look at this. This is very important to understand. Look basically where it came down to, right? It came down to these two wicks. These two wicks are here, basically this low. So she's definitely holding this support level. Now, tomorrow's Thursday. We'll have to see what she does, right? We'll basically have to see like what it basically does over the next, the next. Let me put my pen here. We basically have to see what she does, or like over the next few hours, if she's gonna squeeze up, if she's gonna sell off. I mean, ultimately, we don't know what's gonna happen here, so we just have to see what it basically does. Basically just have to see what it basically does the next few hours. But I mean, yeah, that's it for this video, guys. So subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you guys think about it, and like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because we are gonna there's no ands, if what's, but it's a guaranteed 100%. It's not clickbait. We're gonna start doing some live trading on this YouTube channel. We did do it on the other YouTube channel. Earlier this week, we have the other YouTube channel. We did do live trading on there, and I mean, it blew up. I mean, it absolutely blew up. People loved it. I mean, we called out live US 30, we called out live NAS 100 on the other YouTube channel. I mean, it blew up. I mean, it was just it was like the video was just getting really a lot of traction, real popular. So we'll start putting that on these video. We'll start doing that on this YouTube channel, since there is more subscribers and people that have been with us, the team, the community from the very, very beginning. So we want to show that loyalty there. We appreciate it in general. So that's it. And as always, happy trading.